Welcome to part 3 of our painting adventure. You may note that I'm talking over top of this video as my audio track got a little corrupted. It seems that when you record with your phone, video and whatever, when it fills up, it corrupts all the files and shuts down. So there we go. Live and learn. Anyway, I want to thank everybody that left their nice comments in our comment section for our other videos. And am really pleased with all the support that I've been receiving. I want to let you know that I'm continuing with this same piece of art. For some reason, I keep envisioning this light in the middle, and I just can't, what I see in my head, I just can't put it down on the canvas. But I try. And so that's what I'm doing today. I also watched a video called, I think it's Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'll put a link down in my description area of her picture. One of the things that she did is she made a similar with texture, but it was of a ocean cave and looking up through the cave up to the surface. And she made the depth so nice that I thought I'd give it a try, but it didn't really work out. I guess I need a lot more experience with that. Anyway, I'll let you watch. I'm going to put some music in behind this, and I hope you enjoy it. And I'll intervene every now and again. Thank you. think I thought through what I was going to do with this. For some reason it doesn't look anything like what I was thinking. If you have any thoughts, please let me know in the comments. I really don't know what I'm doing. I shouldn't have done that. Didn't have the right angle for my hand to do it. Safety guard up. Stay there. I think what I'm going to do is just fill in the whole middle. And see what happens. The white and the shadow. With some blending, I can make it do something else. Certainly is wiggly. Now they have a puppy dog from next door woofing. Good timing. Never hear him all the time. Next thing you know, I got a woofing on the day that I'm filming. That looks horrible, everybody. I think I better quit before I'm behind. Oh my goodness. Well, this is my prerogative to change it up. I think I'm just going to go with darks. I don't know. It doesn't look very good. It's different when you picture it in your mind and when you actually put it down on canvas as to what it's supposed to look like. I think I'm just going to darken it all and maybe come up with no structures. Well, I guess I'll get out the blacks and the purples and some more on my hand because, you know, that's the way I roll. Maybe just worry about the texture of this thing and do some dry brushing and see how that goes. When I'm doing my cement work, I've got a troll head that I put together. I could use the dollar store had a styrofoam head, and I've never done a sculpture before, so I used my cement papercrete recipe and show you that when I get there this summer. And I did the recipe, and then I put the head together, kind of pointy, saggy ears, and didn't look too bad. It's probably not something I put in my garden. Anyway, my painting skills are limited, even with the concrete, although I have done some finer details that didn't look very good. So what I did is, or what I was planning on doing, is just painting it completely black and then adding a green mixed with the black in it. And making it look like antique copper. So that's the plan when I get there. But that's in warmer weather, not -24. So once I get some of this darker color on here, I'll just let it dry for a bit. And then I'll come back in and I'll bring out the texture of the canvas. I've noticed other artists that are, I don't know why I said I was an artist, have struggled with things sometimes and just spent the whole time trying to figure out what they wanted to do. Use some Payne's Gray. I guess it happens with everybody. This is what I was trying to prevent. I was wiping off the cats. And whatever this purple is, dioxin, something like that purple. I like it anyway, it's nice and dark. So we'll get this all on here and mix it all up. Let her dry, and then I'll come back and I'll work on the texture. Office is nice and warm. I got one of these oil heaters next to me right now. I just have it on low, otherwise my electrical bill will be through the roof, but because it's so cold out here on the deck, or the porch, that I need to do something. I didn't want my paints to freeze. I only got the one heat register in here, ouch. It doesn't really help very much with the door closed all the time. It's always nice to get white paint in the dark, just to add to it. You see, I'm still recording. That's a good sign. Oh yes. I was going to put some music on this one again, if I haven't already, which I could have already. But I was also going to get the speed up a little bit. Speed up the video a little, because one of the things that I'm trying to do is keep my videos down to 20 minutes. Most people drop off well before 30. And that's what I did with the first one, is I went 31 minutes, and a lot of people didn't see the whole video, which, everybody has to do what they have to do. Just watching a silly video is probably not top of the list. Anyway, I'm going to leave this dry, and I'll be back, and it'll be like a second to you, but a little longer for me. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll be back in a minute.